Where are you, my guy? Oh, finally. I need to practice. Ugh, so dirty. Braces. Huh? Why? He's already here. What a cool car. I'm in love. Oh, we're the perfect couple. Well, I'm ready.
She's taking so much time.
Hey, darling.
Finally, freshen up my breath. Great.
Hi, I'm here.
Hey!
Whoa, nice car. Oh, okay. Oh no.
Perfect.
Something's stuck in my tooth. What?
Oh, awesome. That was disgusting.
I'm sorry, honey. Huh? Come on.
What? Hello. Hey, you!
Huh?
Get out of here!
Huh? Oh my god!
Liza?
I found a coin. Oh wait, please! Sorry. You're ugly. Thanks.
Kiss me.
I want to use the bathroom. Oh, water. Now where's my lipstick? I want to be beautiful.
What's going on here?
What?
Why did you kiss the mirror?
I'm sorry. I gotta go.
Oh.
Oh, so embarrassing. Oh my god! Excuse me.
Oops. I'm Piro.
Liza. I was so lucky to get to that sale. But do I have enough for grocery shopping? Seems so. Huh? Oh no! No way am I living even a single cent here. Aha!
Yeah, that's the right track. Do you want to be fired?
I'm sorry. There was someone on the road.
I'll show her now.
Huh?
You know who I am?
What's going on? Whoa!
That's for you.
Aw, how sweet! Thank you.
See you soon, baby.
unlucky one. I can't wait for this meeting.
Hey, watch out! Whoa!
Ouch!
Whoa!
He's all I've been dreaming about.
Sorry about that.
It's okay, it's okay.
Whoa! That's for you. I'll be waiting.
I'll be there.
Sorry again, gotta go now.
It's the luckiest day of my life. Wait, maybe not. Where's... Huh? Huh? Oh no! How do I get them back? Huh? Come on, come on! Huh? Wow, wow, wow. Huh? Ta-da!
What was that?
Duh, it's so boring. If only I could get away. Huh? Duh! I'm such a scatterbrain. Excuse me?
Huh?
I need your help. Sit down.
No problem.
I hope this'll work.
Okay.
I'm running so late. It's gotta be here.
I knew she'd bail on me, huh?
Whoops.
Oh, never mind. Come in.
Coming.
That's for you.
Aw, it's my favorite pizza.
Oh, no.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Huh?
Huh?
Oh, look at that. You see...
What could be better than a relaxing day on a yacht? Huh?
Wow, you're so pretty. Come here.
Oh, coming. Did you want to tell me something?
Yep.
You're spoiling me.
Give me a massage.
Huh? How is that fair? He's relaxing here and I gotta work? Huh? Aw, he's so cute. But I'm stuck here. Huh? Aha.
Which one would you like?
This one will do. Thanks.
Wait!
He won't even notice. Perfect.
I love you more.
I know, she won't come, huh?
Finally. My life's so hectic.
But you're here.
Huh?
That's for you.
How beautiful! Thank you, I love it.
Let's drink to our love. Huh?
We've got to arrest you for shoplifting.
What?
See you later.
What's going on?
You have to return this.
But it's, well, I guess. Okay.
And don't forget the yellow bag.
No worries. I've got it.
Whoa! I'm coming, beautifuls!
Really?
Wow, such a man.
Yeah, and he can be all yours.
Unbelievable.
Ouch!
Huh? Oh, it's you!
Me, but I got around jello.
Holy moly. Huh?
May I help you?
Huh? Sure. Thank you.
Come walk with me.
Screw it.
It will make you show your love for me. Oh no! I'm falling!
Oh, don't worry, I'll catch. Don't worry, it's okay, it's over.
Seriously?
What? I said I'd catch it.
All right. You get the ball, then he gets me. Date at a restaurant now.
I'm delighted you've taken notice of me.
Your order.
Good God, what are you doing?
Fighting for love. Just doing my job, sir.
Thanks, waiter. You can go.
Okay, I'm gonna get some dessert.
Oh my, sorry.
Stunning courtship. Can we take a break?
Hey, I know how to make it up to you.
Song for my love. Sorry, I think it's intermission time.
You finally got it!
Sorry to keep you waiting.
Woohoo! He does love me!
You'll pay for this.
Another beautiful morning. Huh?
Yeah.
Looks like I should give up having burgers for breakfast. How did you even get it? I think he's always watching me.
I'm sure you have nothing to worry about. Jeez, maybe there is something to worry about.
Don't look. I was young. I needed a job.
Dear God.
I'm gonna make you eat all these photos.
Easy, easy. Touch me and the whole world will see this.
Ew, horrible! I'm leaving you. Follow me. I know how to stop him.
Oh no! Why don't you love me?
You're bad.
I get it. I'm sorry.
Okay, okay, I forgive.
All right, let's go on a date.
Oh,
Hooray! An empty table. Come on.
Your camera, sir.
why do you want my camera?
Food can get it dirty. Oh, what is that? A stain? A tablecloth needs chanting.
Jeez! You'll get fired for this!
I don't even work here.
Mother told me girls are evil!
I think the whole internet should see this.
I think he's had enough.
I'll keep this thing, cause I got a few things to capture. Oh, that's the place I need. Awesome. Tiddy-dee-dee. Not unemployed anymore. Huh. I even have my own transportation.
Never again! I don't even want to see these colors ever again! Dream job!
Aha, that's the address. Huh? I'll go to the gym. I promise. Tomorrow. Ooh,
Who is there?
Here's your delivery.
Give it to me!
Oh, okay. Huh? Sorry, you'll have to pay in cash. On the other hand...
No, let's
Whoa!
go! See? I'm loaded! Here you go! Huh?
Keep your arms raised. Don't try to run away.
What?
Oh no! No! Help me! What should I do?
I know.
What are you doing there?
Move back a bit, this is gonna be loud.
Surrender!
That's weird. Duh, let's go, false alarm. That's yours, and this is mine. Bye. Come on, your package is here. Hello.
Hi!
What's going on here?
I can explain it. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Too loud. Here, you'll feel better soon.
Thank you so much!
Bye bye.
The stage is over.
Whoa!
Careful!
Whoa! Help! No!
Here we go! Bye, losers!
Don't leave me here! Uh-oh. Whoa! Is it? Yes, it is. Please don't hurt me!
Hi!
She seems normal.
Come in.
Thank you. please.
Who's there?
Woohoo! I'm free! Aha! You're out of luck!
Huh? Stop! Get ready for battle!
Sorry, but I have to do it.
You can scare me. Is that all? Well, this is kind of scary.
I warned you. He escaped again. What happened?
He's stolen my girlfriend.
Stay here.
He's so handsome.
Stupid fan. How do you do it?
Woohoo! Follow me.
It's easier. Oh, it's not that easy. Easy peasy. Come on. I have to get rid of her. I'm not hungry.
A plane is flying. I will feed you.
Are you happy?
Now, yes.
Where should we go?
Huh? There.
Huh? No, Liza is there.
Do we have to? Bye bye. What the? I'll hold your wedding ceremony. Your wedding rings. I'm not getting married.
Marry us quickly.
Exchange your rings.
We are married.
I think I'd better go. What is it? What? That's a problem. I think we have to run.
Wow, aren't you heavy?
When will it end?
Huh? We're saved.
I wasn't even scared. Look, the house.
What a mess. Spotless. He's so cool. Done.
Okay. What is that? I'm rich.
This is the bad guy's house.
Take me away from her. Save me. Whatever you say.
I'm so glad I found you.
Me too.
Oh, how delicious! delicious. What is this ring?
Nothing special.
Escaped again!
I'll always be your friend.
Let's do it.
Huh?
Ow.
These girls.
What does it smell like? Huh?
Time to eat. Delicious.
Rub it on my back.
What's buzzing?
Oh dear. Goodies.
Oh, hi.
He's so handsome.
What the?
Who is this?
What did you see in him? Huh?
We have to save him.
Leave it to me.
You saved him, my savior.
Let's go do makeup.
We'd better go to a restaurant. Loser.
What do you want?
My muscles are the best in the world.
Your pasta. Excuse me.
Not bad.
Oh, charming.
Your soda. I'm sorry again.
Not a word.
Honey, you better help.
I'm on fire. Ah!
Liza? We are not friends anymore.
No one dares offend my sister.
Add a little laxative.
I think I need to go to the bathroom.
And some glue. Done.
Don't be afraid. I'm here. Haha, it's just a movie. Let's get out of here, dear. Sorry.
Target detected.
Give me the money.
Honey, feed them!
Catch him.
I'll call you back.
I don't have any money. Ron? Liza?
I knew he was a coward.
I'm sorry. Can we make up?
So, let me see what you did. Oh.
What is wrong?
Everyone must read paragraph 5. Oh, hey, what are you doing?
F again. Huh? Do not even think about it. Come on, you will just need to correct your grade a little and that's it. Even a little is impossible. And in my opinion, a little bit is possible. Hey! Go and do it. You need this grade. If only no one saw me.
So, where could I have left my backpack? Haha, here he is. Hey, what is she doing over there? Where is my angel? He's all right.
Hey, can you go faster? I'm late.
You know what to do.
Much better this way.
Hello, Liza.
Hi, Piro.
What are you doing here? Oh, I didn't expect this from you.
Oh, please, Piro, don't tell the teacher.
I need to think, but it's hard to think on an empty stomach.
Let's fix this problem. Hey, take your time.
Here is your lesson assignment.
Oh, I ate too much.
Yeah, he ate too much.
Oh, come on. Give me one of your pencils. I dropped mine.
No! These are my favorite!
Piro, are you ready to answer?
No, I just wanted to ask for a pencil.
Your lunch, sir.
No, I want something else.
Do you want something sweet?
I want another.
Maybe pizza? All that's left is this.
That's what I wanted. Thanks.
I already brought this to you. How can you be so stupid?
I also have something to say. Heavy. Aha! Hey, Liza.
Huh?
Please help me. I know that you're always happy to help.
Give it here.
Go ahead, my horse.
A horse? I'll show you a horse.
Horses don't behave like that. Hey. Good horse.
What? Are you carrying bricks in there?
Oops. Well, we'll fix it now.
Teacher!
Huh?
Piro fixed his grades!
Huh? How dare you? Go to the principal!
But Liza is also...
I don't even want to hear anything! Tell everything to the principal!